So you can actually play video clips onto your time frame as well. This is the Times Frame by Divoom, the much anticipated successor to the popular Timesgate, often seen on the desks of top tech YouTubers as a stunning LED showpiece. It's a sleek, transparent display with a stunning 3D photo effect, over 400 clock faces, and smart features like weather, reminders, financial data, and more. With 64 gigabytes of storage for up to 700,000 images, a free app, and access to a 10 million strong pixel art community, it's both a creative display and a stylish gift. So I'm really excited to do the quick unboxing and trying this out, so let's get on with it, shall we? So here it goes. Okay, moment of truth. The actual frame. Before we get into that, a cloth. A very nice one. Stamp of approval. Quick instruction manual. Do we need them? Because it's so easy to use. And lastly, must be the power cable. It's a really nice quality cable. USB-A to a USB-C. Here it is. So I asked for a white frame because it goes so well with the rest of the components of my desk. And I believe this is where a rainbow sort of color of display will happen here. At the front, we got Times Frame with Divoom logo on the bottom, a sort of handle, punk rock kind of sort of concept, and control gears. So that's how it looks like. One seems to be like brightness adjustment, and this is for function. Go back, and on the bottom we got some rubbery grip, and the top perforated effect here, and that's how the back looks like overall. This is where you put the USB-C cable to power it on. I mean, if you look at it, it's not quite white, is it? It has a bit of a magnolia tone on it to compare with the rest of the white unit. So for the moment of truth, let's actually plug it in. Oh, something's happening. Wow, look at that, backlighting. So you can see the LED strip lights are coming here. Nice, really nice animation. Not bad, Divoom, not bad. Wow, look at that, it's a floating display. So I don't know whether you guys can see that. That's pretty impressive actually. I really like the way how it's displayed here. So we got English, Chinese, also Japanese, I can recognize that, Dutch, other language as well, Korean, Vietnamese, French, Turkish, Espanol, Portuguese, Indonesian, Italian. So this one is where you use it to toggle up and down. I mean, look at that, that is just gorgeous. And it actually says time frame. Very well demonstrated. I'm sure it will change to different colors. For your convenience, you can actually use the app to connect to the network as well. Right, so it's now connected to the Wi-Fi, updating as well. It's all successful. Okay, so it's transferring. So to start with the display itself, I don't know whether you guys can actually see how clear and beautiful it is. Oh, look at that. That's actually recognizing my voice, and it's actually gauging up and down with the rainbow color. You can virtually cannot see any pixelated this time, despite the fact that Divoom is well known for pixel display. For the top toggle, this is for the brightness of the display, right? So if you go all the way down, this is really cool. You can actually see my finger behind it. This one, if you toggle it down, you can choose all photos, so I presume this is where you can upload your personal photos. Display loop plan 1, simple clock, influencer, sci-fi widgets, HUD finance, Windows 95 widgets. That's pretty cool actually. Popular cities, wedding anniversary, photo stream, Darien, pixel frame, ribbon, Dali's clock, YouTube, TikTok, Bitcoin, US stock, weather forecast, Van Gogh, bright moon, Christmas calendar, Valentine's Days, MLB rankings, NBA, double pointer, son of man, girl with pearl earring, okay, that's for Van Gogh as well, Cube, Memphis, Core 1, Van Gogh, pixel blocks, and so on. So let's actually try quick display. Look at that. So the black is transparent, and it's a different, very interesting way of display, isn't it? Again, with the black background. Whoa, Look at that texture. That's just beautiful. Let's just zoom right in. That is just emphasizing the beauty of the art piece of Van Gogh. The influence of it. What is this for? All right, so you could have Reddit, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, and Twitch all display at once. So if you have multiple social media platforms, then this is a perfect display for you. That's the weather forecast. So if you have a sunny day, it shows this beautiful nature and also the reflection of the sunlight, which looks a bit artificial, but hey, it also shows the temperature as well. And obviously if you're into stocks, we've got Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, and Amazon, all these as essential US stock market display as well. Right, so I left this for about 2 or 3 minutes and it's already on the slideshow mode. And you know what? That's really cool. You can actually get this 3D effect on it as well. So well done for that. So as you can see, I just taken a selfie, which I normally don't do, but for the purpose of review. And this is the video. So you can actually play video clips onto your time frame as well. That's really impressive. So to quickly show you how this works, if we go to photos, then you can actually readjust some of these things as well. You can set time, activated time to add photos. You just click on this and add, or you can take photos. You can rename the album, change the cover, also manage device photos, delete album. You can readjust the video volume as well. As I increase it, you're soon gonna hear my voice. Yeah. And you can also transition the speed time as well. Also the slideshow theme, background frame, photo display order, reverse display order, show time clock, and show weather as well. On the app itself, you can actually add the clock as well. So if you click on that, there's some albums, preload, custom pixel art, multi-information, style photo frame, pixel styles, artist gallery, normal, festival, anniversary, city tour, social. So many of them actually. You can do plan. Also, there's a game display setting as well. If you're a fan of Fortnite or League of Legends and etc., you can certainly customize it. So as you can see, this is the Fortnite display, which is really nicely sharp and crisp. And this is the League of Legends. And you can see all those levels, GE, duration, assist, death kills. If you click on this function button here, which is the right hand side bottom, you'll be able to see the My Clock faces, Pomodoro timer, device settings, album management, utilities, alarm, and so on. These are the system settings. Again, really nice display. So you can actually adjust the display, slideshow settings, night view mode, sound notification. We can adjust the level of the sound, network connection, date and time, temperature, language. So if we were to go to utilities, that's what we have: timer, countdown, scoreboard, noise detection, Outlook, calendar, Google Calendar as well. So it's a bit more convenient to use the actual app, but if you want to turn off the time frame, that's how you turn off. If you want to turn it on again, and also you can adjust the RGB. So if you go all the way down and up, yeah, we got the device function of design, AI drawing, tomato clock, Google Calendar, Microsoft Calendar. So if you have Google Calendar or Microsoft set up on your device, that's how you can do it. Or alternatively, you can do planner, scoreboard, alarm, pixel coloring as well. So let's try the pixel coloring, shall we? So custom mode, and also let's choose the bunny, and then you can actually choose some of this. Okay, right, look at that. And if you want to choose different colors here and there, that's immediately how it will be applied to the main screen as well. So on the AI drawing, which is quite interesting actually, if you click on it, you can actually write a description to say bunny, and then you can choose what sort of pixel art size and press start generating. And it's actually currently generating. Let's see how long it's going to take. 19%, 46, not bad. 69. Hopefully we'll have something very shortly. Look at that. So the AI image generation, very quick indeed. And this is the community page, okay? So a lot of pixel artists would have uploaded their own version of the image. So many of them, endlessly, that you have to actually search for something. Let's go for Super Mario. There you go. So many different types of Super Mario that you can actually apply. That looks quite nice. And immediately we can see the Super Mario pixel art displayed. And that's the power of using the community side of the artwork. Right hand side next to the center, we got AI drawing, language, help to reach out to the people, and then that's just the setting of your personal account. So this is probably one of the most bold and beautiful move made by Divoom, that they come up with this 10.1-inch display unit that has an AI functioning, and also you can customize with so many different functions, not only with the given pixelated display. This time you have this bright screen on the background that could portray a very sharp image, and also video clip as well. I'm really looking forward to shuffle around this tech testing setup, that this will be the main feature when I sit down carrying out my work, video editing and so on. So really pleased that I have got in hand with the time frame indeed. So I hope this video helped you understand how cool the time frame is from Divoom. But if you have any queries, please do comment below, and thank you very much for watching this video. This is LZP Tech. All the best. Bye bye.